You are live. Action 12 News. Yeah, I'm gonna walk around the reef here a little bit. All my other photographs are still shots from an older camera. First video up here. Got family all over Tennessee that enjoys things I post on my web, my Google page, you know. Yeah, man, look at there. I think I can do a high dive with a backflip here. What do you think? Might get 2.5 somersaults down there and land on the deep end. Man, beautiful. Very nice. It's Morehead City Waterfront, ladies and gentlemen. There's the sugar island there that burns down when they do fireworks. State port. Go ahead and circle this rooftop. We're 10 floors up at a high rise. It's my first video on this rooftop. I got thousands of still shots. There's Highway 70, the bridge that goes to Beaufort. Out there where Blackbeard used to hang out. No big ships today. This is where all the big ships come in and hang out. A bunch of steel beams on that barge down there. This is a marina there with a towboat US, where they go save everybody that's sinking and too drunk to make it back home. Man, that's nice. Man, look at that pool down there. I got Walker over there doing a few wire nuts on a thermostat cable, all corroded and ugly. Just put a capacitor in there. We expect it to fire right up and be fine. This is the sound side of Morehead City. Beautiful. If you travel through this area, you'll recognize some of this area. That area there used to be the Jefferson Motel. All pretty and modernized, 21st century. ESPN comes down here every year, and they got boat races, big cigarette boats, high performance, scream around that island. Alrighty, we're going to the front yard now. Take a little peek here. Alrighty. This over yonder is the Corps of Engineers with the gray ships, gray boats. Don't see a lot of activity over there, but it's government funded. There we go. See what Walker's doing here. You got her done yet?
I got a nut sack left.
Oh, he's over there playing with his little nuts there. So,
They're blue nuts.
Oh, they're blue nuts. Well, that's better. Blue nuts are better than blue balls, I guess. But anyway. Alrighty, he'll get that up and running here in 2 minutes. Y'all have a lovely day.